Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, I am here back again with the new awesome project. It's called Hump Token. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not investment advisor. So make sure to do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. So first of all, you can check out Hump. Welcome to Hump. Don't just pump, let's hump too. This is the official contract address. I told one thing. This is a Solana based project. You can check out powered by Solana. You can check out here the DEX tool and Twitter, Telegram also provided. Featured on Yahoo Finance, Crypto, Newsland, about dollar Hump. You can check out about. Hump is not average token, meme token. It's a beacon of progress in the world of decentralized finance. Inspired by the air village emoji from furry friend, you can check out Hump represent more than just a cute face. It embodies the spirit of innovation and community improvement. You can check out their price chart also provided here. You can check out price main share 24-hour high, 24-hour low. You can also use the best indicator for price prediction. You can check out 1 second, 1 minute, 5 minute price prediction. How to buy dollar Hump? First of all, you need to create your wallet, download Phantom or your wallet, or choose from the app store. You can go to Radium job started. You can buy this token from the Radium. You can search solve for Hump. After selecting the Hump token, you can buy easily. Why dollar Hump? Hump is a more than just a meme coin marvel. It's a movement. By impressing Hump, you are not only investing in the digital asset, you are joining a community forward thinker and innovators who passionate about shaping the future of finance. Their token economics. You can check out total token name dollar Hump, symbol Hump. This is the total supply 6.9 billion. This is the contract address. You can copy it. You can check out quick link home, Twitter and Telegram. You can check out buy now. This is the contact info, admin email, and the social links also provided here. So first of all, let's talk on the Twitter, then I tell you how to buy this project from the Radium. First of all, you can check out Hump on the Twitter account. Simply I click on follow. You need to also follow here. Hump token join it July 2022. It's a old project, but it's an awesome project. You can check out they have 8,000 plus followers posted. You can check out 10-minute or dollar Hump continues to reach big heights. You can check out their Web3 hot news. You can check out wake up to the smell its success happiness. You can check out their latest update. They are giving update every hour. You can check out blast of dollar Hump. Every post and information provided here with them very detailed. You can check out their latest images, and you can also participate in the meme contents. You can also earn lot of income from here, so it's very easy method. This is the Telegram official group. You can check out they have 6,000 plus member in Telegram. You simply click on view in Telegram. You can also follow in the Telegram group. This is the swap Radium. You can check out, simply I click on continue option. After clicking the continue, you can check here. This is the continue. After clicking the continue, Solfair account will be open. You need to connect here. After clicking the connect, so simply I click on the connect option. After clicking the connect, simply click on I understand and confirm option. After clicking this, you can check out our token has been successfully completed. Simply you can check out finding the pool. Simply enter the amount, soul amount, how much you want to buy with soul. So guys, simply copy this contract address and go to Radium, then simply paste here, then simply select the token. After selecting the token, Hump token will be successfully selected from the swap, and you need to first connect your wallet. After clicking the connecting your wallet, then enter your amount, how much you want to Hump token buy using Solana coin. Enter your amount. If I buy with 1 Solana, you will get like something token. After entering the amount, then you need to click on confirm option. After click, you can check out I will be get this amount. You can check out Radium pool. You can also check out the price and the more information. Price impact 0.1%. I don't have any balance after adding the amount. Then simply click on confirm and your token will be successfully purchased. And if you want to buy add in this token in your account, copy this contract address and go to your wallet and then simply add the token here. So it's very easy method. So I am here on the DEX tool. You can check out DEX tool. So guys, now you can check out the DEX tool. Price 0.0004 USDT, 0.004759 USDT, and you can check out price indicator, and you can check out all the information here. 24-hour high, 24-hour low, market cap, liquidity, and calculating supply holders. Their 24-hour volume, everything provided here. You can also check out their official links, view contract. This is the Solana contract. This is website, Twitter, email, MetaMask, and you locked liquidity. You can also check out the liquidity here. So it's a Solana coin. You can check out solscan.io already added. simply verify your home, and this may take a few seconds. So this is continuing. You can also follow that Telegram group here. So now we talk about other detail of this project. You can check out here $Hump integration. By now this is the integration. You can check out their price prediction chart here, featured on buy, powered by Solana, and this is contract address, about, and token economics. If you want to buy, then Redeem will be successfully open. So this is a Solscan. I don't know why this is taking time, but verification that taking longer expected. You check internet connection, but I don't know what is going on. So you can also check on the Solscan.io. I just cut it, and you can check out there all the information. This is the high potential project in 2024. This is the Twitter account. You can also follow here. So guys, now I tell main concept of this project. Basically, it's a Solana based project. I already told it, and this is the high potential project. If you want to invest in this project, make sure do your research. And guys, you don't know how to research any project, simply copy this website, go to YouTube, go to Scam Advisor, and go to the any advisor website, and you can check out their reviews, their information about their project, and do your research before any investment. So it's very easy method to researching any project reviews. So I hope you understand everything. This is a good project, but make sure do your research first. So thanks for watching. I hope you understand everything. Take care of yourself. We will meet in our next video. Thanks for watching.